Hi guys, we've introduced a new front lace wig. This is in the size 18 inches. It's going to come in two different sizes, which is 16 and 20 as well. As you can see, we have styled this wig and we have done some curls using the Dyson Airwrap. So the front lace has a lace patch in front, so you can do any parting. Right now we have fixed it to a middle part. This is how it looks up close. It's got 4 clips on the front to secure the front hairline, and there's an elastic band behind. So you can adjust the tightness according to your head dimensions. And it's also got a small comb at the back to tightly secure it. So you're ideally supposed to wear a wig cap before you put the wig on, but since we don't have one, I'm just going to put it on top of my hair. You can also use any regular stockings, anything which is tight and secured and takes the shape of your hair. So as you can see, it has got 4 clips in front, where I'm going to secure it from the front hairline. And there's an elastic band and a comb at the back. Please secure it at the back of your head.